How to track orders on Amazon with tracking ID. So first you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then go to amazon.com. Now go with www.amazon.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you're logged into your specific account, you'll find your home page. If you don't have any current orders right now, you can also look for your past orders as well. So in order to track your Amazon deliveries, we'll use a website called parcelapp.com. Go ahead and open a new tab and then search for universal parcel tracking, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. You can also use this website to track orders from AliExpress, Shopee, Lazada, UPS, and FedEx. All you need is a tracking ID from those websites. Once you enter the tracking ID number, click on the track package, which will be in the right side, which is highlighted in the red color, and you'll be able to follow the delivery. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.